Hi, my name's Blair Watkins, CTO of Commercebuild. One question that we get asked all the time from our customers and partners is, how long is it going to take to create a store on Commercebuild? So one of the reasons why customers have these concerns around how long it takes to deploy a system is really about how quickly they can get their products to market, how much their team has to do on the project, and the risk factors involved with deploying a store like this. They could make the wrong decision. So the quicker we can supply that store or create that store for that customer, the quicker they can see results, the quicker they can go to market, the less risk it is. So right out of Business Central here, we can search for the Commercebuild app out of the extension marketplace. We'll come up with free trial and it will auto install into your Business Central environment. So the app is now ready to use and installed. What you'll see when you first see the homepage is Commercebuild link in the top there. We click on this, we go to system configuration, and we would set our general posting sales prepayment GL accounts here. We would then set a bank account in here, which we're just going to set general as well. Then we just click initialize configuration. At this point here, we can now create a store with the system. So at this point, our store is now being created. We can view our store list, and this will give us a view of all the stores in the platform. It provides a URL here that we can click and view the store. And this will just give us a default skin. So now we've successfully run the wizard and configured a base store. We can then now view our store for the first time. We can see it's pulled through the default logo out of Business Central. If we go to the products, we can view products and their images that's come through. If we click onto a product, we can see stock, we can see pricing. This pricing has come based upon our default customer here that we've set. If we check stock, we can see stock in other warehouses if there's other stock. This can all be configured. Unit of measure comes through, and we can add to cart and place an order. On the transaction screen for the customer we're logged in as, we can see all the invoices and payments that are sitting within the Business Central environment. So these are not placed online. It is real-time talking to Business Central. We can click to download an invoice and view the actual invoice out of Business Central. On top of this, we can select to pay an open invoice, and it will select all invoices that are open and will allow us to pay those right into Business Central. Hopefully what you saw today in this demonstration is just how easy it is to create a customer portal or a basic store out of your Business Central system. There's a lot more to e-commerce than what I showed you today, and what Commercebuild can do is really provide that full service to you and really help you along this journey that you're about to start on. So feel free to reach out to us at Commercebuild and we'll help you through the process.